Hello guys, today we have Samsung S8 which is not charging and not powering on, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. First we need to heat up the phone 80 degrees. We leave the phone on the heat plate for a while. So after the phone is hot enough, we're using this card and then we push to take out the back cover. After the back cover is taken, we disconnect the fingerprint. Okay, that's a good card. Then we need to unscrew so these screws are enough, we can leave those two here. After taking out this plastic plate, here is the battery. We disconnect the battery, and because the phone is still hot, then we can just touch from the bottom side gently, not too much pressure. Take out this battery and apply a new battery. After connecting the new battery, we'll make a test, and the phone is coming on. After the phone boots, we'll check if the phone is charging. So we start closing the phone.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, so the phone is on. We'll check if the phone is charging now. And yes, the phone is charging. So all we need to do is to fit the last screw, put the fingerprint back on, heat up the back at 80 degrees, so we will make this adhesive sticky again, and then apply it on top. And also we use this kind of a clips to hold the whole phone down. Well, that's it.